man, it's been a long time coming. This beautiful Britton home in Mustang Lakes, it's taken forever to build. And we're not blaming Britain for that. It's a supply side problem. It's COVID. Everybody's having it, but man, we've been waiting a long time. Let's go in and take a quick tour. Oh my gosh, the outside lamps look great. I love seeing the power on, the light bulbs in those cute lamps. Got the detailed work on the brick. We did have a delay on the bricks. They need to get the windows cleaned up, of course. And woo, look at that, we got a Ring doorbell. And I gotta take my boots off. No zapatos. So zapatos are coming off. And then we can go in. Look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the light fixture. I love that. Absolutely beautiful. The doors are in, the handles are on. Your front door's in with that Texas star. Gotta represent what state you're in. Oh, this just looks beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Cabinetry's in. Here's the mud bench. And of course that goes into the garage, that door does. Nice big bedroom. I'm trying not to walk on the carpet, even though I don't have my shoes on. We'll walk our way around. I wish I could get you guys on YouTube to feel just how big and majestic this entrance is. With a, boy, they gotta adjust that. That's off on a candid angle. Look at that. Isn't that a great staircase? That's a really good shot. All right, getting a lot of detail work done. There is the fireplace. Give you guys a sweep around the den. Love that breakfast nook. That's a really cute one. So let me do it like I do the model homes and I'll come along and show off their beautiful kitchen. And then here's this pretty breakfast nook. Can you see the light coming in? Just gorgeous. Really pretty. Got a pretty decent sized backyard from Mustang Lakes and got the gas tap and the back porch ready to go. I think there's a different angle on the fireplace, and that's a tall wall for sure. Okay. Plastic coverings back, so we're able to walk through here. Really pretty. Just need to get the tub dropped in. Love light fixtures. Actually turned out really pretty. And then of course the tub's missing. They'll get that dropped in. All right. And then here's this gorgeous closet. So you've got all these built-ins over there. You've got them over here. You're gonna have racks in here. Just gorgeous. And then into the utility room. That is by far one of the coolest features. You go from the master closet into where the washer and dryer are. All right, we are upstairs. Look at that. That is going to be really pretty. There's the media center for all the electronics and the wiring. Home Pro has routed everything in there. Then we've got a lot of touch-up painting going on, a lot of caulking, just some make-ready stuff. Again, more detail work on the little ceiling areas. There's the upstairs bath into a really cool bedroom. I don't know why, I just love this bedroom. I guess because it kind of sits out like a turret and you got glass all around it. This is absolutely a cool bedroom. And you've got another bedroom over here with its own private bath. And it's receded back a little bit. It's not as kind of out there as that bedroom is, but it does have a private bath, so that's kind of cool. And that's the upstairs. Guys, it's been a long road getting y'all's house done in the midst of COVID. A big blessing from God on this build job, YouTube viewers, was the fact that we got the contract signed right before inventory homes and the ability to pick and select anything disappeared. Most people right now are building a home. They're taking the selections that the builder makes. And it's kind of, the reason it's slammed like that, there's no insulation applied to it yet. The reason we have to do that is because the builders in general, they're just building inventory homes. But my lucky buyers got to have a lot of input on this home, which was wonderful. Maybe those days will return pretty soon. I don't know though, I'm not holding my breath. All right, if we can be of any help, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you and your family. But until I see you again, may God keep and bless you and cause his face to shine upon you.